In the first video lecture, I have discussed about the uh, pollutions and their uh, pollutants, as well as first air pollutions. Now, uh, continue the effect of air pollutions. Clear? What is the effect of air pollution on human being, plants, and such other kinds of living beings? Let's and this as we have already know that sources of pollutants of air. Clear? So basically the automobiles, thermal power stations, industries such as paper industries, cement industries, all these kind of industries which continuously which continuously release the various kind of gaseous pollutants as well as particulate pollutants in the air. So that that pollutants directly affect to the all living beings which are present on biosphere. Due to this various kind of gaseous and air particulate pollutants, so many uh, kinds of diseases, so many kinds of disorders occurs in the human beings, as well as it adversely affect on animals life, plants life. Clear? So first we will discuss about the effect of air pollution on human health. So this is the very dangerous effect due to the gaseous as well as particulate pollutants of air on human health. There are lots of diseases, infections as well as allergy can be seen in human health. So sulfur dioxide, if we talk about the sulfur dioxide, which causes the intense irritation to eyes, respiratory tract. Clear? Because whenever we inhale the sulfur oxides, oxide of sulfurs, it passes upper respiratory tract, and whenever this sulfur oxide enter into the respiratory tract of human being, it leading to swelling and stimulate mucus secretion. So a lot of mucus secretion will start to release out due to the inhalation of sulfur dioxide, and it also causes the irritation of eyes. And so this is the adverse effect on human health. Beside these hydrogen sulfides, hydrogen sulfides causes the headache, nausea, conjunctivitis, and irritation of mucous membrane. Um, so that and so that it is causes the respiratory failure. Next, carbon monoxide, which are released by the automobiles as well as vehicles, transport system. So these carbon monoxide actually directly interfere the binding of oxygen to the hemoglobin with hemoglobin. Clear? As we know that hemoglobin, oxygen bind to the hemoglobin in the blood. So whenever carbon monoxide inhaled, so this carbon monoxide directly affect the blood hemoglobins. It directly react with the hemoglobin instead of oxygen. So it causes the harmful hazardous chemical compound in the blood, which is very dangerous to the human being. ये कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड क्या करता है कि ये जो हीमोग्लोबिन से डायरेक्टली बाइंड कर जाता है, रिएक्ट कर जाता है, तो एक डिफरेंट काइंड के कंपाउंड्स को फॉर्म करता है। और वो कंपाउंड्स जो होते हैं कार्बोक्सी हीमोग्लोबिन ग्लोबिन, ये इस तरीके से जो कि ह्यूमंस हेल्थ को अफेक्ट करता है। And this due to the binding of carbon monoxide with hemoglobin, it causes the breathing headache, irritation of mucous membrane. And ozone are ozone actually affect the sore eyes. It causes the sore, coughing, and respiratory distress. These are the adverse effect on human health due to the pollutants, air pollutants. Now, cadmium is a respiratory poison. It leads to high blood pressure and heart diseases. Mercury can damage the nervous system, liver, eyes. So, beside headache, fatigue, anxiety, lethargy, and loss of appetite. Mercury is also important harmful hazardous chemical for the human being. Beryllium causes berylliosis. ठीक है, berylliosis and it includes the pulmonary granulomatous reaction. And baccinosis is caused by the cotton dust. Clear, it is very common in India. These are the important diseases of the human being which are caused by the air pollutants. So this is the effect on human health of air pollutions. Now come to on animals. What are the effect of animals? What are the effect on animals? So the air pollution actually affect the domestic animals. Clear. So it causes the ingestion problem. Clear. And metallic contaminated arsenic, lead and molybdenum, these are continuously eaten by the animals and causes the different kinds of chronic diseases to the animals. Such this on plants, if we talk about the plant, all chemicals directly affect the plant's physiological and biochemical process. It affects the photosynthesis and respiration to the plants. Clear. So it causes the slow rate of photosynthesis, transpiration. So all these chemical reaction of plants get affected by the pollutants, air pollutants. So, अगर एग्जाम्पल है तो फ्लोराइड्स इंटरफेयर विथ फोटोसिंथेसिस एंड रेस्पिरेशन इन प्लांट्स. Clear. So and thus all the pollutants is directly affected the plants, and they causes the leaf drop, leaf curling, reduction in leaf size, stunted growth of plants. So these are the important causes of the plants. That's